So Android Auto is great for maps, but what about anything else? For example, I don't know, YouTube, maybe game, maybe Netflix. You cannot use it at all. The Auto Pro X is probably the solution we were all looking for. Just one Type-C cable or USB-A included in the box, and given you have Samsung with DeX support, then you are fixed and good to go. Let me show you. So with just reading the guide of just maybe 5 steps, including just clicking on the icon, you have everything installed. So you're not just getting a desktop, you're also getting a touchscreen, which you can just tap on and use any app that you would like, but you are also getting a touchscreen and a mouse. So it's basically a laptop within your car. The most basic function is just reading PDF, for example. I can do it on the full screen. Although my screen is wide, it's still usable. I mean, for example, if I use my phone, I'm not getting a lot of space, but here you're actually getting a full screen with a track point and everything that you might need with your device. And even YouTube can run it. I mean, you can use it while driving. I wouldn't do it, it's not recommended, but you can do it. And a third great example, which I really liked, is using ChatGPT and watching Netflix, and also using Facebook. You can actually use everything at the same time without any issue, running them, playing with them, and any other app that you would like to use. And by the way, if you're asking yourself what's going on if, for example, have a smart screen that interacts with the car itself. So for example, with this car, the Rexton, if you click on the fan, it's changing the screen, but what happened is within a second it comes back to the exact place where you at, and it's really useful. I like it. By the way, it does not block you from using your own infotainment system. For example, if you'll swipe your thumb from the top or from the left, you can just click on your home button and, I don't know, play with your radio and change stations. Or whenever you want to go back, click on the home and go back to Android Auto, which changes automatically to the system. Now, what about downsides? I think the first downside, I mean, for me, at least for me, it's a downside, that Auto Pro X is white. And being white in a car means it might get dirty. And I don't know, I wish it could be, I don't know, maybe in a color of gray or black or anything like that, and would be a little bit cleaner. The second thing is, the cables that you are getting with the device are very, very short. I mean, for me it works well because it's up here, but if you would like to hide it somewhere or anything like that, you have to buy longer cables and you'll have to buy a good quality ones. Now, the third thing would be, if you have a screen like mine, which is wide, your apps and everything that you look at would look like it's smudged, or I don't know, too wide for you. I mean, it's fine, but you'll have to get used to it, and I mean, you are having a full system, so it's probably something that you can use to, or maybe a system update for it and it will be fine. Now, fourth and last thing would be that it supports only Samsung DeX. I mean, most of the users around the world, I mean, I wouldn't say most, but many people do use Samsung and do use DeX systems. But if you don't have it, then you can just not use this item. I would even suggest you buying an Android phone with Samsung and Android DeX, and you'll enjoy it. You'll use any app that you would like, you can do anything with it. But just, you know, there are some limitations. So I think that sums it up. If you have a Samsung phone with a DeX system, you are going to enjoy it with some limitations. If you don't have a Samsung phone with DeX, then just buy something and you'll have the best system ever on a car, or should I say on any car with Android Auto. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.